Mathuganĩrio mathatu mama kũringithanio na gĩkuũ kĩa Daniel Sniper marĩa nĩ DJ KABOOM, CHRISPUS MANYARA na Brian MWENDA ntuko ya ũmũthĩ nĩ makinyĩte mbere ya koti nene ya Kiambu baada riboti yao ya kithimi kia meciria ya kuonania kethirwa mena utombo umwega yumĩte na kuonania nĩ mega na kwoguo no mathitangwe na mabitia mauragani. Rutere rwa thitango nĩ rurombete kubewa kanya kuringanira Igamba rĩrĩa rĩthitangĩte Supuo Mioro na Kinethimura ngiri Gwantai na riri Igamba riri rikagwetwa KAIRI tariki 29 cia mweri o uyu.
Nyuma ya kuthithirwa sonkoni bog mathugani kiumia gĩtũku liwathuganirwa Brian MWENDA, CHRISPUS ManYARA na Gikuu Gia kana DJ KABOOM leo muthenya wa umde ni bakinyirwe mbele ya jaji wa koti nene Lady Justice Abigail Mshila na kumba kwithirwa bakithomerwa thitango jakulaga blogger David Sniper athuganirwa baba bakireganaga na thitango ino.
CHRISPUS MANYARA Kiambi alias Chris, Brian MWENDA alias Ribo, and Gikuu Gia alias DJ KABOOM. The court is hereby informing you that you have been brought to this court with the offense of murder, contrary to the section 203, as read with section 204 of the Penal Code, Laws of Kenya.
Igamba lele la muthenya wa umde bande ya obise thitango jia mwingine lombete koti kuleta hamwe Igamba lele le athuganirwe baba bathatu na lila lingine athuganirwe bambele baile tabo Supuo Mioro na Morangeri Gwantai nao kagitaga kabande ni obise thitango jia mwingi nileganite nitagale nole kuma kimawakili bathuganirwa kuromba koti lekeli athuganirwe baba gwetukwira bond kana bail. Lady Justice Abigail Mshila kirutaga ogambi ati mawakili baba bathuganirwa banenkanire rombale yao lea bail kana bond kiri ntuko mugwanja jejite nayo obise thitango jia mwingi kunenkanira masokio mayo kiri rombalili mbele ya ntuko ithatu kuthira. Igamba lele likadhikirwa amwe na lele la Supuo Mioro na Morangeri Gwantai tariki 29 mweri JOJAIRI.
So formal application be filed for bail bond within 7 days. Okay? And then response by prosecution be filed and served times 3 days because you have all the information. Yeah? You're not going to fish for some more information. And then pre-bail report be prepared, filed and served. On 29/02/2024, I'll put before court 2. If court 2 is not sitting, you come here. Okay?
Lady Justice Abigail Mshila akiathaga thuganirwa Brian MWENDA na CHRISPUS MANYARA Kiambi kuingirwa nchere ya kamiti nawe Gikuu Gia kuingirwa nchere remand ya Nairobi Ndereja Industrial Area.
So first and second accused we remanded at committee, and then the third accused we remanded at Nairobi area.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, rangi wa Kathenya.